floor. Dora and the Fairy Tale Wedding. It was a beautiful spring day, and there was a lot of excitement in Trollland. Dora and Boots were all dressed up for a very special party for the grumpy old troll. The grumpy old troll looked really different, and it wasn't because he was wearing fancy clothes. It was because he wasn't grumpy at all. He was happy. "Wow, Mr. Troll, you're doing your happy dance. You must be really happy," Boots said. The grumpy old troll smiled at Boots as he twirled around. "I am happy," he said. "I'm getting married to my very best friend, Petunia, today." Just thinking about Petunia made him smile even wider. "Petunia rides flying horses, just like me. She's the only person who can always make me laugh, and I really like her glasses." "I can't wait for the wedding party to start," the troll said. "And everyone will get to do something special at my party." Upon hearing his name, Map flew out of Dora's backpack. "I know the fastest way to Grandma Troll's house," Map said. "First, you need to go through the flowery garden. Then you have to go past the wedding bells. And that's how you get to Grandma Troll's house. So remember, garden, bells, Grandma's house." With that, Map flew back into Dora's backpack. So Dora, Boots, and the troll set off for the flowery garden. After they walked a little bit, they came to a fork in the road with two paths. Which path should we take?" Dora asked. "Look, Dora, I see flowers on one path," Boots said. "So that path must lead to the flowery garden." "Good thinking, Boots," Dora grinned at her friend. "Vámonos, let's go." It wasn't long before the trio arrived at the entrance to the flowery garden. "We're here!" the troll shouted as he raced ahead. But just as he stepped into the garden, he suddenly stopped. "Uh-oh, this path is flooded with water. If we go through it, we'll get our new party clothes wet." The troll found a bouquet of purple flowers tied with a white ribbon. He couldn't wait to bring it back to Petunia. As they started to leave, the troll had an idea. "Hey, Fountain, you should come to my wedding party too," he said. The Fountain was thrilled. "De verdad? Really? I will see you there," she said. Next, they reached the wedding bells. The wedding bells were so big, they took up the whole path. Suddenly, the bells began to speak. "The only way that you'll come through is by counting the times we ding for you." The troll looked worried, but Dora knew how to help him. Boots was so excited, he began to jump up and down. "I get to bring out the cake," he cheered, "and Dora gets to carry the shiny wedding rings." Suddenly, the troll didn't look so happy, but he didn't look grumpy either. He looked worried. "Is everything okay, Mr. Troll? What's wrong?" Dora asked him. "Don't worry, Mr. Troll. It's like one of your riddles. We just have to figure it out. Each time a bell rings, hold up one finger." Just at that moment, the bells began to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Dora looked at the troll and Boots, and then at her own hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. they moved out of the way so everyone could pass through. After they made it through the flowery garden and past the wedding bells, they reached Grandma Troll's house. The troll ran to knock on the door. "It's me, Grandma, your grumpy troll," the troll shouted. "I forgot my wedding rings." Grandma Troll opened the front door. "Oh, my grumpy troll, you look so handsome," she said. "I'll be right back with the rings." Grandma went back into the house and returned with a ring box. The troll opened it up to show Dora and Boots. The 2 gold rings sparkled in the sunlight. "Que lindos! They're beautiful, Mr. Troll," Dora said. Grandma gave the troll a big hug. "I'm so proud of you, Grumpy," she said. "I'll see you at the party, Grandma," the troll said, and off they went. Back at the wedding, Petunia looked beautiful in her gown and veil. The troll handed her the purple bouquet, and the big red chicken began the ceremony. "When the love of 2 trolls is really true, it's time for them to say I do. To put on their finger, they each must bring a bright and shiny wedding ring. Who has the rings?" Dora held up the pillow with the 2 shiny wedding rings. The troll put one on Petunia's finger, and Petunia put one on the troll's finger. The trolls were married. "Hooray! It's time for the cake," said Boots, and he rushed out and returned with a beautiful wedding cake. As everyone congratulated the happy couple, fireworks lit up the sky. The best ones of all were shaped like hearts. The grumpy old troll wasn't grumpy at all. In fact, he had never been happier. He held hands with his very best friend, his bride Petunia. Everybody cheered, and it was the most beautiful wedding ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.